Then after several months of uncertainty, the stock market rallied on Tuesday. But all three major indices, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, they're down slightly heading into the opening bell after Tuesday's rally. But is the worst of President Trump's trade war finally behind us? NewsNation's Alicia Nieves is outside the New York Stock Exchange for us this morning. Alicia, what's behind this latest Wall Street rally, you think?
Hey, good morning, Mark. I think I lost you for a second here, but basically it's all good news on Wall Street. Certainly that's what we saw, yesterday. We saw stock market kind of surge on the news, first and foremost, that President Trump was kind of delaying those imposed tariffs or new tariffs to be imposed on the EU, that 50% tariff that he says he's going to levy. Now, initially he said last week that he's going to levy that at the end of this week. Markets kind of panicked. But then with the delay, that 6-week delay to now July 9th, markets bouncing back. He also took to Truth Social to say, in part, quote, "I have just been informed that the EU has called to quickly establish meeting dates." This rallying markets and investor sentiment that a deal can be reached before that 50% tariff actually goes into place. So the markets, as I mentioned a moment ago, they bounced. 4-day losing streak was snapped. Investors kind of pricing out the panic that was induced by that potential 50% tariff, because you have to remember the EU is actually one of our largest trading partners, above China, above Mexico, above Canada, the 27-nation bloc. Actually, again, the largest trading partner. It would have affected, you're talking about over $500 billion of goods that we import, that we buy every year from the EU. So the immediately price increase led to, it would have immediately led to price increases for Americans on a lot of things like medical supplies, wine, perfume, oil. So the delay, again, good news for investors. They're more hopeful now and pricing in the hope that we can reach a deal with the EU before the 6-week new timeline for that 50% tariff to be imposed. The other thing that was kind of buoying the market up, Markie, was really the consumer sentiment report that also came out yesterday. That was a shock. It showed a 12.3 increase in consumer sentiment from last month after the April read that had a low we hadn't seen since 2020. Anecdotally, in that report, it also showed that consumers are concerned with tariffs, but they're actually starting to be more hopeful that there's going to be some long-term benefit. If that sounds familiar, that has been the messaging from the White House: short-term pain for long-term gain. And so it seems like the American public, based on that consumer sentiment read, and investors are now buying into that messaging from the White House more so, Markie.
Yeah, they've been reiterating that for months now. Alicia Nieves live from Wall Street this morning. We'll check back in after the opening bell.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.